हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू इंडियन म्यूचुअल फंड्स। आज हम बात करेंगे म्यूचुअल फंड्स के बारे में, लेकिन उससे पहले आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट्स कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और हाँ, बेल आइकन को दबाना मत भूलिए। आपका प्यार और सहयोग आवश्यक है, तो सहयोग दीजिएगा। चलिए आज कुछ नया सीख लेते हैं। सो गाइस, आज हम बात करते हैं म्यूचुअल फंड्स के बारे में। फर्स्ट म्यूचुअल फंड है हमारा ICICI प्रूडेंशियल FMCG ETF ग्रोथ फंड। इस फंड को आपको बाय करना है। ICICI प्रूडेंशियल FMCG ETF ग्रोथ, NAV नेट एसेट वैल्यू 393.8410 रुपीज़। ICICI प्रूडेंशियल FMCG ETF ग्रोथ फंड की हाइलाइट्स। The current net asset value of the ICICI Prudential FMCG ETF as of 15 November 2021 is rupees 393.8410 for growth option of its regular plan. Its trailing returns over different time periods are 6.52% since launch. Various category returns for the same time duration are 59.22% first year, 19.44% 3 years, and 14.66% 5 years. The ICICI Prudential FMCG ETF currently holds asset under management worth of rupees 13.57 crore as of September 30, 2021. The expense ratio of the fund is 0.2% for regular plan as on September 30, 2021. The given fund doesn't attract any exit load. Minimum investment required is rupees 1000 and minimum additional investment is rupees 0. Minimum SIP investment is rupees 0. SIP, systematic investment plan. Withdrawal, SWP, systematic withdrawal plan. Things you should consider: riskometer, annualized return for the last 3 years 6.88%. Suggest investment horizon 3 years. Fund NAV range, net asset value, asset allocation, investment growth. 1 month high low 382.807. 415.536. 52-week low high 364.320. 364.320. 416.192. Asset allocation, investment growth, equity 99.97, debt 0.00, others 0.03. Investment amount enter 1000. ICICI Prudential FMCG ETF G. Equity, debt and others. Top 5 year comparison. Tata Ethical Fund regular growth. 1 year return 58.20%. 3 years return 23.65%. Nippon India Quant Fund Retail Growth. First year return 48.42%. 3 years return 20.24%. About fund. ICICI Prudential FMCG ETF is open-ended thematic equity scheme which belong to ICICI Prudential Mutual Fund House. The fund was launched on August 5, 2021. Investment objective and benchmark. The investment objective of the fund is that the scheme seeks to provide returns before expense that closely correspond to the total return of the underlying index subject to tracking errors. Its benchmark against no asset allocation and portfolio composition. Asset allocation of the fund compare around 99.95% in equity, 0.0% in debt, and 0.05% in cash and equivalents, while the top 10 equity holdings constitute around 92.86% of the assets. The top 3 sectors constitute around 99.95% of the assets. The fund largely follows a growth-oriented style of investing and invests across market capitalization around 90.13% in giant and large cap companies, 9.87% in mid cap, and 0.0% in small cap companies. Tax implication. Tax implication: gains are taxed at a rate of 15%. Short-term capital gain tax minus STCG if units are redeemed within 1 year of investment. For units redeemed after 1 year of investment, gains of up to rupees 1 lakh occurring from those units in a financial year shall be exempted from tax. ओके सो गाइस, ये फंड आपको बाय करना है। ICICI Prudential FMCG ETF growth. Net asset value 393.8410 rupees. ओके सो गाइज, आज के लिए बस इतना ही। कल फिर मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए अनुमति दीजिए। नमस्कार। बोलो राधे राधे।